Nyansa biara nyiza wa ye ni mu. With all due respect, I say I start using as a people more fans, I'm for more fans. Here I support on as a bet all do baby a woman yan fan is a mass and use a photo. Ebusia won free ye bra won so ni bi won twini pay champion ata aye hunde eyoga commander fire oja yes mama wa kwa baba wa fancy YouTube zina what's from my DJ Paco Rich na yes enyimda has a pedetin some bi record wa Ghana ni into details and need details but to me more filan wa ha na in the nkoma me pede me using or very simple see fame or yazibia or to that drug. Once you abuse it, it has some negative impact on you. Yes. And see, in that one you bezena home come or ye Ebenezer or ye Dr. Likee. Na SMBC ended that, which I felt today was very wrong, even though the Dr. Likee one of our own. Like yo, your brother, but he do yawa. Zoye no mfane kwanim Dr. Likee. You see, Yawa mra wo bibiara ho. And the fact today nyimu bi na mra na de ne hyehyɛ ne nchedo de bu ne nyimtia because you feel that you are right. Wama yanhwɛ video we of Dr. Likee owa Achimota Mall. No yi Achimota Mall in mpanyimfo no yi woni bi yi nsama no. Ni ewia ya baka ne munsam ye za atran Mage so ba omra Mage Papa I no go de no ai be ja e fiu Atibu ya moni ye mpa o de na ha de enyo you just go move to ka we ni how you go to mu ka go how you move to how you know management you progressing your people on your eye what is the whole thing? US Eco Parliament, Eco Yeduma, Etnosa, she we the go. Now, just come on up. Achimota Mall. Now you get about the two videos. I'm your move by the Casa. Check. I'm gonna move to celebrate you. What are you saying? You don't want to talk about it.
Why?
Foreigner celebrating around because I'm waiting for boy. I'm running celebrating.
Let me be very straight with them issue. Dr. Likee na nan kadofuna wana na moina azamuye you know a fucking sense. I'll be very straight with you on this. See. Dama comparison na boy there's a brony finu krum do bedor be yaza. Nobody can stop him. Sebi brony on zin kwasi 7 day. Brony before no baban. Wa send obima wa ba scout to location mo wanyi nwana location ya wona zin komo. One want approval, they exchange emails with them. You see, mencha when as a crowd when you and to my camera, you don't just bump into somebody's property. Achimota Mall, $60 million no nya Ghana government za. So even Ghana police before wabokwa koye will post to one. Nazan Achimota Mall themselves would have to even invite them and have some proper negotiations. Everybody movie people are there to shop. Sebi. Pelon, moving about out. No be already no shopping woman. The person go fee ball 100% take you on and take you to court. You have no right to go to any public places without permission to film there. I'm a filmmaker. I do some of these things. Sometimes, if we are at fault, we should admit it and let us not disrespect people because worry when another they are doing something right. Mama Yama fame and get into our head and speak anyhow to people. With all due respect, I say I start using as a people more fans, a man for more fans, and I support on as a bet or do baby a woman young thing is a mass and use a fatan. Ne kwade Ghana for one celebrities. Excuse me, who is celebrity? E bon who ne zenyizima nhwana washa wana. That is when they also have to accord you with good respect. Now you don't go out there and wallahi, hey, all be lie. I tell you, my brother, into me they are doing their work. And so, brother, with all due respect, and you need to go out there and apologize to them for what you did because that is total disrespect. Or your total disrespect. Menya sure there'll be but tuma ba wufie do kita cameras na running na a boom mic do ba be movie in your house without any proper agreement or discussion. That is exactly what you did. Inti brother, me ye anyeni ye bomazana na pamocho nya de bie bu food na meze ba catcher na da me ba kamadwen de me ba yi me bi obi ahwe aroba bet me peda me cho de ze ye no ye fucking things. And it needs not to be encouraged. A role model, a man for resume. And to say, Yaza, father to the fact today, I a baby man will be a bone and cheddar zebe bian or bez watch. Ghana, we don't do that. We don't back foolishness. If you fool as Ghanaians as we are, we will tell you that you are fooling. Even me, if I fuck up, obi won't kwando bakanadra term. Beast of No Nation movie, they came here, they used military tanks and all that because we fought the right process. Sometimes in Ghana, we are afraid of formalities, and now then when people take us through formal steps, you feed a yimpani yadodo. Dr. Likee me, you don't cherry be a Dubai. Equeno, a shawunos mask. You know the rules and stuffs are. What to do with Dubai, and you cannot violate it and tell them they are a foreigner, so ignorance. They will deal with you according to their laws. And charity begins at home. You should practice some of these things here and stop misbehaving. This is no. I are fucking things to the highest level. And we will not encourage and condone such behaviors. Zeye botum ya kacha wa him brother. Zeye no ntweye. It no be good. Onya kwa ya. Until now, I'm a catcher. You are from a park or rich. I hire fancy YouTube. Ebenezer, Dr. Likee, we love you, we feel you. But with this one, you were wrong, and you have to apologize to Achimota Mall securities now. Once I was watching, what cassette on about heart. One was way won't be. Please. The fact that you are clocking millions beyond dabby, don't let that get into your head. Don't remember that hard way. That mean want to get into your head. You are a fine man. People respect you and all that. So you shouldn't be even involved in this. Shall we come have your managers and your peers and all that deal with these things? And come on, one year now, Braba Kenya answer. Now also from whom what that chene mu be. Then young who fi potoy in the dim for one some wano. It is absolutely no for we at fucking things and fancy YouTube. You're the best here. I wear share my menjo watching chair. Do you think what they did is right or your bogosa? I say to me kawadrin show and fucking things. I'm out of here. We're from DJ Parker.